Welcome to Colaberry AWS DeepRacer workshop. In this video, we will get a background of autonomous vehicles, understand the developments taking place, and the challenges that this technology field faces. Autonomous vehicles are a hot topic, with several traditional automotive manufacturers and tech companies entering the fray to develop these vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are capable of sensing the environment, processing the sensory information, and finally make a decision. In the first image, we can see the autonomous vehicle by Uber. There are a number of sensors on this vehicle: a LiDAR unit on top, stereo cameras on the side and rear, and front-facing cameras, to name a few. Visual and informational data is analyzed on an onboard computing system. Many autonomous vehicles are capable of making use of cloud GIS data and to also communicate with other vehicles and infrastructure, like traffic signal lights. Research organizations like SAE have defined the scale of automation of driving experience. On the leftmost side, the driver performs all of the functions, and on the rightmost side, the vehicle is capable of performing all driving functions. Do you know how far we have advanced and where we are now? You will be surprised to know that we are already in stage 3. Several cities are allowing tech players to rigorously test their vehicles, and I had the opportunity to ride in an Aptiv car last year while visiting Las Vegas. It was an interesting glimpse into the future of autonomous driving. In this slide, we will see different clusters of players active in developing autonomous vehicles. Traditional manufacturers like GM and Ford are represented through their acquisitions, Cruise by GM and Argo by Ford. There are app-based taxi services like Lyft and Uber in the same block. You can also see Tesla, Lucid Motors, and Proton Motors in the block below. Let us look at some of the challenges which need to be overcome. All of these technological advances cost a lot of money and drive up the price of vehicles. Also increasingly, users prefer taxi services like Lyft or Uber, as driving feels more and more like a chore. With advances in public commute system, which have become more convenient and timely, many people can avoid owning a car. The bigger challenge is of a regulatory nature. Autonomous vehicles are coming under increasing scrutiny due to the potential of mishaps occurring. The technological players are increasingly testing their algorithms and codes rigorously. Towards the end, governments and industry want to provide the user a safe and comfortable traveling experience. This workshop serves to introduce you to machine learning and use it in the field of autonomous vehicles traveling a track in a virtual setup.